right, everybody, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So back in the new room that we started yesterday, started taking out the receptacles. We took out circuit 38 right here. As you can see, it's all in pipe because it's critical. Critical stuff has to be in pipes. So went ahead and started taking those out, took out the receptacles after we turned off the power, pulled out all the wire, and then maybe cut some of the pipes later. Also took out another circuit 12 or 14 up above on normal power. These are sprinkled back and forth between normal and critical. I think most of these were critical down low. Made this board right here. Made two of these. I made one, my apprentice made one. This was his because we ran out of covers. And then we tied that in. Once we took out some of the circuits, the old circuits that we've been demoing, we tied in the temporary power in with 3 of those circuits. Took out some pipe over to here. Took out another receptacle over here, which was 14. And then next door took out another circuit on critical, which was 36, which was some orange receptacles with isolated grounds for some computer stuff. And that pulled back to this junction box. And then 34, couldn't take 34 down because that goes to a fire smoke damper. Got to take all these lights down maybe tomorrow, I'm not sure. They just got the temporary lighting up, like I said, so we can start on the lighting now. And then also the only other receptacles in this room now, I believe, are just these down here, which are circuit 2. Some of these are like circuit 4 and circuit 6, but those go outside of the containment, and we can't take those down because people are using those on computers and stuff like that. All right, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Thanks always for the support. The giveaway video will be whenever I can make it. Maybe now, maybe tomorrow. Whenever I get a chance, I'll get a giveaway video going up for the 16,000. Thank you guys so much for the support over all the years. Thank you to people that come back and watch my videos every day, watch it on their lunch breaks. You know who you are. Thank you so much. It means the world to me. And that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you guys. I will see you tomorrow. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace.